Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI image tools platform, which is Depositphotos AI Image. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Depositphotos AI Image Generator makes creating high quality visual simple and fast. It's ideal for marketers, designers, and content creators who want professional commercial licensed image without legal worries. The tool is easy to use, deliver crispy results, and integrates well with Depositphotos' massive stock library. However, all you need is a paid plan to use it, and customization options are limited compared to other AI tools. Some users also report mixed image consistency and still for safe professional grade visual. Deposit AI photo generator is a reliable choice for business users. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.